everyone. So this is we call what everyone? We call cento fruit. So after we try our best to get it, so now we get it. But I need my brother to help me forget it. So now we get it. But today I'm going to show you about eating this fruit with chili sauce, everyone, like this. So we have chili sauce and also this fruit too. So we are going to merge this fruit with chili sauce, everyone, like this. This is chili sauce, everyone. Wow, it is so red, everyone. Maybe it's yummy or not, but it look like yummy. So wait for its test, everyone. Wow, I take this. It is so big, everyone, big. So before we eat, we take the outside of this fruit. We call cento fruit. So we take the outside of this fruit like this. Wow, it's so big. We do like this, everyone. It is so big fruit, everyone. Maybe it's yummy. One more, everyone. One more, everyone. I take this one. It is so nearly to be red. Everyone, it is so cute. Everyone, I think it is enough of my eating, so I take just only 4, and then so after we take the outside of this fruit already, so we clean it, clean like this, we clean it like this. So we do like this on the fruit. everyone want to see the inside of it like this. This is the inside of it. Wow. Delicious or not, everyone, can you guess it? And then I'm going to show you the taste of it. Take like this, and then we do again on the food like this. Wow, just a little, it nearly to be enough, everyone. Everyone, only 2 it is enough. We cannot add any more. So after we do like this already, so we put the chili sauce, everyone. This is chili sauce, so we put the chili sauce on center fruit. Put like this. Wow, it's so delicious, everyone. When we look it, maybe it is so delicious. Put like this. Wow. So after we put the chili sauce on it, so now we make it like this, everyone. Wow, it's so red, everyone. Maybe it's yummy. Enough, everyone. Wow, look at this fruit, everyone. It's so red and it looks like so yummy. So I'm going to test about it and then going to show you about it taste too. So let me test, everyone. It tastes so good, everyone. It's like bitter, sweet, and also sour too, everyone. The inside of it is so sweet, everyone. Like this. This is the inside of it. The inside of it is sweet, but the outside of it is like sour and bitter too. It's sour, everyone, and bitter too, but it is so sweet. The best. It's a new taste, everyone. It's very hot with chili sauce, everyone. Mm. 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 It's really hot, everyone, but it is so yummy. So now I think it is enough for me of my eating, everyone. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you for the next video, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video.